I'll say it for the last time. These aren't cartoon shows. It's anime. Anime is the product of imagination of great minds without any boundaries. Anime is what could be. Hello everyone, you're watching Screensick and today we'll be taking a look at some of the greatest anime of all time. So let's dive into it. Death Note. This show is the perfect gateway for newcomers into the realm of anime. The story follows a brilliant and genius high school student, Light Yagami. One day, Light discovers a mysterious supernatural book called the Death Note that allows its owner to kill anyone by writing their name inside it, provided the owner remembers his face and real name. With this supernatural force alongside him, Light becomes Kira, a god of punishment to serve his own sense of justice by killing criminals he thinks deserve death, until he comes across his arch-nemesis and rival, L, with the equal intellect. This show will absolutely blow your mind as to how the minute and insignificant things like a wristwatch and a doorknob can make such a life-altering difference as Light and L collide head-on to defeat each other in the Battle of Brains. Your Lie in April. Arima Kose, a piano prodigy, dominated various music competitions and became famous as a child. But when his mother dies due to illness, he has a mental breakdown and quits piano. 2 years later, Arima has not touched a piano since and only focuses on his studies and spends time with his two best friends. His monochromatic life changes suddenly when he meets Kaori Miyazono, a free-spirited 14-year-old violinist whose playing style reflects her free and cheerful personality. Kaori forces Arima to take up piano again and return to the music world, and shows him that music should be free and mold-breaking, unlike the structured and rigid style Arima used to play. This anime will leave you in tears till the end. Hunter x Hunter. A kid named Gon Freaks aspires to become a hunter, an exceptional being capable of greatness. He leaves the island where he lives to participate in an exam that will provide him with a hunter's license, and also to search for his father who left Gon when he was born to become a hunter, who is now a very famous and accomplished hunter himself. Along his adventurous journey, Gon makes some best friends and some very dangerous enemies. As he works hard to become stronger and better, he comes across clues to find his father and some very powerful supernatural forces that might threaten the existence of world as we know it. Monster. Dr. Kenzo Tenma is an elite neurosurgeon of the hospital in Germany. One day, he finds himself in a situation where he has to choose to perform surgery either on the mayor of the town or a young boy who was injured by a bullet wound on his head, for which only Dr. Tenma is qualified enough to do so. He stands his ground and chooses to perform surgery on the young boy whose name is Johann Liebert. Dr. Tenma successfully saves the boy, but unfortunately the mayor dies in his surgery, which results in Dr. Tenma losing his social status of being an elite. 9 years later, when Dr. Tenma saves the life of a criminal, his past comes back to haunt him once again when he comes face to face with the boy he saved, who turned out to be a monster in human flesh, a dangerous and cunning psychopathic criminal who is on a killing spree, slaughtering people that are linked to his shocking past. Dr. Tenma realizes what a grave mistake he made by saving the boy, so he sets out to stop Johann and end him once and for all. This is one of the best classic mystery anime you could ever watch. This anime is not for everyone, but for those with only patience can enjoy this spectacular show. Dragon Ball series. You might not have heard of anime, but every person knows this dumb Saiyan Goku and his gang. This show is the epitome of childhood of the kids born in 21st century. Dragon Ball franchise created by Akira Toriyama is the most successful franchise in the world and among fans. The show started in 1986 with Goku and Bulma on their quest for 7 Dragon Balls. In 1989, when its spin-off came out as Dragon Ball Z, which showed Goku as an adult, it became an instant hit. Forget Superman. Goku was every child's favorite superhero, fighting against villains, and his long-term rival, the Saiyan Prince Vegeta, became the favorite of all fans. But this show is not famous for its story, but rather for its battle against formidable enemies like Frieza, Cell, and Majin Buu. Throughout the show, fans have gushed over Goku breaking his limits over and over again. For the first time, when Goku became a Super Saiyan against Frieza, fans went crazy for it. The show was reprised in 2015 under the name of Dragon Ball Super, where Goku is done fighting lowly villains and is seen taking on gods of destruction head-on. Episode 109 and 110 is the most searched anime episode in the Google in the history, when Goku once again breaks his limits and attains the state of gods, that is the Ultra Instinct. My Hero Academia. A world where most of the humans have supernatural traits called quirks, Only few with extraordinary powers are qualified to become heroes. A quirkless timid boy named Midoriya Izuku dreams to become the best hero of all, like his inspiration All Might, also known as the symbol of peace. Midoriya's falling dream once again sparkles when All Might chooses him as his worthy successor, realizing that Midoriya has the true heart of a hero and trains him to become the next symbol of peace. Midoriya gets into UA, his dream hero academy, where he competes with his friends to become the bravest hero of all time while fighting the villains trying to create chaos. Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. A family living in mountains survives by selling firewood in the nearest town. When their eldest son, Tanjiro, returns next morning, he finds his entire family to be slaughtered by a demon, and only his sister Nezuko survives, who starts becoming a demon herself, although her brother's love stops Nezuko from hurting him. Then Tanjiro sets out in a journey to save and turn his sister back to human, and he trains to join the Demon Slayer Corps to find and punish the man who killed his entire family, who happens to be the most dangerous and king of all demons. This show instantly became the most popular series in 2019 upon its release. Attack on Titan. In a post-apocalyptic world where existence of humanity is threatened by brainless man-eating giants called the Titan, the handful of remaining humans are forced to live inside closed massive walls to protect themselves from the Titans. 100 years later, people come face to face with their worst nightmare when a giant colossal Titan suddenly appears and breaks the walls that brings a swarm of these terrifying Titans. During this carnage, a boy named Eren Yeager sees one of the Titans tearing his mother apart and eating her. This leads him to join the Survey Corps and vow to kill each and every Titan on Earth. The thrill of this anime will give you a major adrenaline rush as you watch it at the edge of your seat. Each and every episode of this anime is filled with action, suspense, and reveals many shocking events throughout the show. You wouldn't wait to see what happened in the next episode. Also, some scenes of this show is not for the faint-hearted, as you would see these titans tearing the humans apart as they scream for their lives. And it will give you chills to see Levi Ackerman fight the titans, and what a total badass he is. One Piece. After the most infamous pirate king Roger is captured by the government, he reveals the location of the greatest treasure in the world, One Piece. This revelation brings the grand age of pirate to find the One Piece. Monkey D. Luffy, a 17-year-old boy following in the footsteps of his childhood hero Shanks, dreams to become the Pirate King and sets out on a journey with his crew across the Grand Line to find the One Piece, experiencing crazy adventures, unveiling dark mysteries, and battling strong enemies. This anime is one of the best shonen anime of all time. One Piece is also the highest selling manga in the world till date, with over 470 million plus copies sold. The first episode aired in Japan on October 20, 1999. With over 14 movies, 12 TV specials, 4 OVAs and 942 episodes and still running, this magnificent series shows no signs of slowing down. Before we reveal our top pick, these are some more highly recommended anime that aren't in this list. Cowboy Bebop, Bleach, Tokyo Ghoul, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. Naruto. There are no words to describe the greatness of this gem of a show. This show, created by Masashi Kishimoto, tells the story of Uzumaki Naruto, a young knucklehead ninja whose parents died when he was born. The day Naruto was born, a nine-tailed demon fox was attacking the village of Konoha. To stop the Nine Tails, the leader of Konoha, 4th Hokage, sealed the fox inside Naruto to stop the village from destruction. As Naruto grew older with Nine Tails inside him, the people of Konoha despised him as the Demon Kid. To gain recognition and earn the respect of the village, Naruto makes it his life's goal to become the Hokage of Konoha, and this is the story of Naruto's journey to become the greatest ninja in the history of mankind. This isn't just a show. It's a huge wave of emotions. This truly great series has everything. Mystery, sorrow, action, comedy, motivation, everything. When you watch this anime, you feel for and with the characters. You feel Rock Lee and Guy's passion for hard work in life. You feel the triumph of Team 7. You feel the honor of a Hokage. You feel the love of a parent. You feel Sasuke's passion of hatred and the patience of long-awaited revenge. You feel the price of sacrifice a person needs to pay and the burden of their guilt. Moreover, you feel the sadness and sorrow of Naruto and his loneliness, and the power of motivation to fight to change your destiny. This show has been running for over 15 years with 2 parts, Naruto with 200 plus episodes and Naruto Shippuden with 500 episodes under the belt. This is the greatest shonen anime of all time. If you're also an anime fan and would like more videos on this topic, then please leave a comment down below. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.